I saw the bitch in your car. You gonna tell me I didn't see you? I saw the bitch in your car. Man, shut up. Shut the fuck up, man. Every time I come in the house, you got the microwave on high. Fuck you. Walk out.
Ooh, baby. Ooh. I'm your bad bitch. Yes. You fucked up. We fucked up. You better not be cheating on me, ho.
Girl, get out my face.
For real.
You
always tell me you gonna be faithful and shit.
Okay, if I tell you I'm gonna be faithful.
This you, all this you.
Okay.
All this you.
I like that.
You ready tonight? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Tico. Tico.
Real Tico shit.
You like playing pancake with me, baby?
Yeah. Hold on. What's up?
Hey, what you doing?
Nothing.
Where you at?
What you hit me? I mean, I'm in the bed.
Why you stuttering? Why you stuttering? What's going on?
Boy, stop playing. Wait, I'm on the phone. I'm about to call you. I'm gonna call you back.
I'm on my way, bitch.
I'm gonna call you back. Why you doing all that? That's my cousin.
Your cousin?
Yes.
Okay.
Nah, you just really disrespected me when I'm on the phone with my
That ain't your cousin?
Big booty hoes, up with it.
That's my sister.
I'm not saying that bitch. Who this is?
Who is you?
Who is her?
Who is you, ho?
Who is her?
What you mean?
Who is her?
Don't touch him.
Who is her?
Don't touch him.
Bitch, I don't see you, ho.
Why y'all doing this?
You got a... Ho, you a nigga. You got a fade? You a nigga. You got a fucking... Yeah, run him out here. What's up? What's up, ho? Get her. Get her. Get her. Why y'all doing this? Get her.
What's up, nigga? What's up, nigga?
You getting beat up.
What's up, nigga? What's up? Yeah, bitch.
Bitch, I'm gonna whoop your ass, ho. Stop.
Like the arguing shit. Got so much designer shit, you think I'm all on the shit. There go the glory boys again, they poppin' bottles and shit. I say, if you need a feature, homeboy, hit on my line. I love for me and Brent Franklin be spending some time. Walk in the mall, buy all the stuff, just get on this ride. And if your boyfriend won't be like me, tell him get on his grind. Bitch, I'm cooler than a cooler. Big shouts out to my troops.